Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to How to Guide YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can sign up in William Hill, so make sure you follow my step till the end. First of all, you need to search for William Hill in Google. Now right after that you'll be able to see a link at top on in the screen where you just need to click on it and you'll be redirected to the official page of William Hill, where you can see join option at top right corner. Once you click on it, you'll be able to see the registration page, where it is asking us for our title, first name, surname, date of birth, email address, and so on. So once you complete your credentials, simply click on continue and complete few more formalities after that, and you will be able to sign up successfully. So basically this is how you can sign up in William Hill, and if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on, so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.